Hello guys, your market maker is here. Today I made a $400 and I'm gonna show you step by step how I did it. First, I want to show you my profit. Boom, boom, boom. Another fucking 400. Do you guys see? Do you guys see? All right. So today I wanna thank the old Egyptian god right here, cause this motherfucker helped me too much. He gave me reason to enter a trade on choppy price action. Without him, I don't know how to do, but he gave me he put something inside me, something like that, like an emotional, obviously. Whatever. Now I'm gonna show you how I take that trade. Ooh. All right, all right, all right. Now, I hope I look good. So, guys, why did I take this trade? So, obviously, our daily bias is bullish. I'm going to show you if it opens. Thank you. I mean, it was bullish. It was bullish before I take that trade, but still all right. It looks like bearish right now because of the Trump news between Japan. But you know what I'm saying? Since I had a bullish daily bias, I was looking for long opportunities. So right now, by the way, I literally okay, I'm gonna talk about it later. So why did I take my trade on here? So I'm gonna open my session chart. You see, we have lows waiting here, but before that, we had more lows for our previous session. There was waiting for to be taken right here. All right, this New York low and this London low, they were pending orders. All right, before price wants to go up, what price wants to do to take all the lows to make the real move, because that's how market maker thinks, like very easy. In every one of my video I talk about the same thing. If you still cannot trade, not my problem, mate. Whatever. So I closed my sessions. So you see, with this week right here, we were able to swap the previous session lows. Right now, then I was waiting for one or two bullish candle, like my confidences to enter it to take a trade. Then I took a trade, but my take profit was let me show you. My trade take profit was, normally it should be the London session highs, because that's how market works. But even from the beginning of this today's market, the price action was choppy. It was ridiculous. So I didn't want to risk too much. So I put my take profit here, because this place was $500 for me. So I thought it was a good idea to take $500. Not the best one, but $500 still good. Then what do I do here? um the price action was still so chopped, so i was I was wanting to exit trade as soon as it possible. So when the price comes there, all right, this is the place where I exit my trade. I exit the trade because the price action was so choppy. Like in a moment it goes like $20 up, $20 down, $20 up, $20 down. So I exit that trade because I saw $400 and I thought, what about the $400 for daily? I said, not the best one, but 400 is a 400. It's a fuel, it's a gas for my car, like why not? So I exited that trade exactly on exactly 22,749, like here. Yeah, I exit my trade on here. So, and as soon as I exit the trade, because I didn't trust. Look at it. I literally exit the trade and the price suddenly went down. I was lucky. And also, I again posted every step of my trade in my Whoop Wop the app. Look, I posted that I won off $400, and he said, why did you close the trade, because it didn't hit my take profit. And I said that $400 is enough for today. I just didn't trust the chart. I'm gonna put screenshot right here. Then as soon as I exit the trade, he texted me, "Yo, crazy dog, you just predicted that shit, and motherfucker, I gave my 2 years to that chart. I can feel before something happens." So I'm gonna put my hub link in the description, and my TikTok and my Instagram. If you don't still subscribe me, me and my followers, we are making money. If you get involved in this for free, you're gonna subscribe to me. If you're not, if you're already profitable, I don't want you in my community. Like, if you're already profitable, what are you gonna do in my community, right? So I highly recommend you to subscribe and follow me in YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. If you do, it's better for you. I'm not pushing you, but I insist you. And my ancient Egyptian god, he also he right looks like he also wants you to see. He also wants everyone in our community. So see you guys soon. This was a light trade from 7th Jill. See you guys. Bye bye.